In his address to the public in Karimnagar in Telangana, Prime Minister Modi has now slammed the Congress party. The Prime Minister has said that due to the policy of family first, Congress disrespected PV Narasimha Rao even after his death and did not let his dead body enter the Congress premises. He said the BJP led NDA government has respected PV Narasimha Rao by awarding him the Bharat Ratna. Let's quickly listen in.
इसी नीति की वजह से कांग्रेस ने पीवी नरसिम्हा राव जी का भी अपमान किया। उनके निधन के बाद उनके पार्थिव शरीर का भी अपमान किया। कांग्रेस दफ्तर में एंट्री तक नहीं दी। ये बीजेपी एनडीए सरकार है जिसने पीवी नरसिम्हा राव जी को भारत रत्न से सम्मानित किया। और मेरे लिए बहुत सुखद है कि कल ही मुझे उनके पूरे परिवार के साथ मुलाकात करने का, पीवी नरसिम्हा राव जी के बारे में बहुत कुछ सुनने का सौभाग्य मिला। बहुत देर तक उनके परिवार की दो तीन पीढ़ी के साथ मैं बैठा। मैं गर्व महसूस कर रहा था कि एक परिवार ने, नरसिम्हा राव जी ने देश के लिए कितना कुछ किया और कांग्रेस ने उनके साथ कैसा व्यवहार किया।
My colleague Bailey Thomas with us on the broadcast. Bailey, if you can take our viewers through these latest comments that have been made by Prime Minister Modi in Telangana, and has there been then any reaction or response from the Congress party? Bailey, over to you. Bailey, can you hear me? Okay, we seem to have lost that line with my colleague Bailey Thomas, but we've just heard the Prime Minister now raising the issue of PV Narasimha Rao and how he was disrespected in his death even by the Congress party, which has been alleged by the Prime Minister. MV Subhash, BJP leader, with us on the broadcast. Mr. Subhash, the Prime Minister raising Narasimha Rao in Telangana. Why exactly has this particular issue been chosen?
Yeah, yesterday we had met Honorable Prime Minister at Raj Bhavan in Hyderabad, and all our family members were present during the conversation with him. And then we wanted to thank Modi ji for the conferring Bharat Ratna to our late grandfather.
Yes.
And during the discussion also that various topics have been discussed on that, but ultimately it has just boiled down to how the Congress party has really insulted, and we have most of the people in our family who are elders, they felt a little bit emotional because the way the Congress party has treated their own party leader and as well as the Prime Minister after the death. We all know that. So we don't want to discuss about it because it's already 24 years, and Modi ji was very, very felt very sad that after serving so much to the country and to the nation and to the society, how can anyone really ill-treat their own Prime Minister, their own party president? So, even our grandchildren also, the third generation and the fourth generation are also they got a little bit emotional. So Modi was, he started consoling us. Then ultimately we said that, after a long due and after so much of persuasion in the Congress where, the results have not been fulfilled and Bharat Ratna has not been given. Not only that, they tried to, the Congress party tried to insult whatever the situation, it has come during the past 20 years. And ultimately Modi ji was very, very kind enough, and then he had proved to be the statesmanship he has proved to be, the statesman, that irrespective of other political party, the political affiliations, and with the people who have really made an impact to the society, whether it is Narasimha Rao ji or whether it is Karpuri Thakur ji or L.K. Advani ji or whomsoever, Bharat Ratna has been given. Not only that, even in Padma Vibhushan and Padma Shri also, various people who had really made an impact on the society, where people are really inspired by the work they have done. So these people have been duly recognized. This was the gist of the meeting yesterday. So today in Vemulavada, the Karimnagar Parliament, where Narasimha Rao ji represented, and his hometown and our hometown also falls in that same district. So he had made this really, the statement. So none of the Congress party people or, anyone has yet, they reacted. They feel that, Narasimha Rao doesn't belong to Congress party. And, even in their manifesto also or any other, the programs, they fail to mention, because they don't want to bring the light of Narasimha Rao's era, where economic liberalization and many of the bold decisions have been taken, which the present generation has been getting the benefits.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.